Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check battery temperature on Google Pixel 9. You can check your battery temperature by going to Play Store and downloading an app named Ampere. So let's search for Ampere and then click on Install. After a while, click on Open. Now, consent and OK, and here is your battery temperature as well as other data. If you want to change the unit of temperature, click here on the settings icon, then go to Basic Settings and click on Temperature in a unit, click on it once and then go back, and here you can find that now the temperature is in Fahrenheit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.